All right, I have my 2 poles on my house, my 2 columns, which are regular 6x6s. So I'm distressing them, and I'm gonna match my door after I strip it down to bare wood to the distress post. So y'all keep on just checking. Here we go. So I'm using a 80 grit disc on my cordless grinder. All right, so after you've done that and made your marks with the grinder, I go back over with an 80 grit on the disc to sand all the splinters and everything else down. Let's get into that.